Do people ever remember Rock Dog? Show Rock Dog. A movie that you don't know. Hold up. Bob. So guys, if you don't know Rock Dog, this song. We're grown and we never be alone. And no matter where we're from. And that song, glorious. Just we watch on the Roku channel. Do you have a Roku channel? I mean the Roku TV? No? You need to not watch the movie yet, okay? You not watch the movie. So I thought this movie was like great. Only people who love Sonic can comment in this video. So people that don't know, Rock Dog is the most popular animated movie. Well, not that popular because, and I'm have one of the greatest dudes. Have a big cast, even though, and have J.K. Simmons as the cat with this and then about Boney want to be. But I don't want to be a singer. And that not, and that So this will be my review of Rock Dog. I thought it would like. So the people who don't know, Rock Dog is a pretty popular animated film. Well, not really, this. And it about have a lot have great animation. But you probably never heard of it because are you a Roku TV? No? So you're not watching it. So it was a good movie. I'm telling you, Rock Dog 3 is not a good movie. It's trash. And I think that it was a good movie, but sometimes I want it to be like more like a TV show, like I want to like 2024 to 2030. And also, or if you're wondering when the Plushie episode 2 coming out. Coming out very soon. Okay, fine. I know you're gonna get mad. You're gonna get really mad if I don't tell you this, but you're probably gonna be mad. Probably gonna be mad. Bye, I'm talking. That's why I won't tell you the trailer. Trailer is releasing some show. It was released about May 20. If I remember, I mean, May 27? Yeah, May 27. It'll be May 27. Like, that is basically, it might be kind of heinous because I were. So I tell you, the animation is good, but not that much special. Like really great movie, but Rock Dog 3. I'm not gonna talk about it. No more. Yeah. Like who would ever want to make the animation like this? This? Huh? Okay, I stopped doing that. Or review hate it, but I'm telling you, it's a great movie. I will talk about Rock Dogs 2 when I finish it, but Rock Dog 2 is emotional. So, what did you do with this? To the right. So, everyone have a fun day. Bye. Oh, hold on. I forgot to add someone. I'm gonna look through all my sources. Yeah. Who's that? Why did I hear that? Who have done that? Huh? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Okay. Okay. What the? SpongeBob? SpongeBob, what do you have to tell me? Hold on. Oh yeah, I forgot about If. I review of If. It was a fun, catchy, fun movie. It was time. But I forgot what's our next. Oh yeah. It's a new character for episode 2. I'm showing you basically all the new characters. And who and now does it? Coachy! And who will be a new character? Rocky! Rainbow Slam, Rainbow Slam, Slam. Green. Or in the next episode, it's gonna be all about green. So, I'm just. Whoa! The new characters. The new characters. Yeah. Don't mind. Characters off. I have to pause the video. What happened? Yes! Those are all the new characters. All of them. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Please. Please. Please, maybe let's do 10,000 subscribers at the end of 2024. And anyways, bye guys. If it's a great movie, watch it. Hold up. I'm gonna eat you if you don't subscribe. You need to drive.